Let's pack a smaller order together. I usually only show the larger ones, but I do get a lot of small fun ones. The first thing this client got was the eco-friendly lotion cubes, and these are super popular, especially in sandalwood and amber. And when you buy it, you have the opportunity to buy it with one of these reusable tins. So that goes right in the box. The next item is our pink champagne lip balms. These are, again, very popular. I keep making these and they keep selling out, so thanks everyone for supporting us. The next item is our new fragrance called Etude 1 ISO, and this one is in the 8 milliliter bottle, so that's going right in the box. And when these are available, I usually include a few samples of our Memento Mori soaps. And of course, as per AirV order, I also include a loyalty discount card. And I also include a bit of information about the brand. This is my new postcard that talks about the brand and our principles of operation. This one explains a little bit more our soap collection. So this one's just about ready to go, and look at how cute this box is. Wouldn't you want to receive one like this? Make sure you like and follow.